Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So in this course, this is something gonna be amazing course that I am going to create for you guys. It is a LinkedIn automation. So in this course, we will basically create an amazing workflows using this Browserflow. These guys are doing an amazing work. And now in n8n, you can basically create an amazing automations for LinkedIn. From scraping leads or profiles and then sending connection requests and then checking if they are connected or not, and then sending them personalized messages. So this is something now we can do in n8n, and from end-to-end automation that we will create in this whole course. And we will start from very scratch, where I will show you how to set up your profile and connect it with Browserflow, and then set up in n8n and start working. So first of all, what you will need to do, you will need to come over on this browserflow.io, and you will need to click on get started. Once you will click on get started, you can just do continue with Google, or if you want to do something using your email, you can also do that as well. Once you will do continue with Google, you will need to start 7-day free trial. So initially I would suggest go with free trial, and then once you will test it out, and if it is basically working well for you, then you can purchase it, okay, which is almost 18, I don't know which currency is this, but almost I guess in dollars it is almost $20 per month. Okay, so you can use card, PayPal, and whatever you have, Stripe, but I am going to use my card, and I have already done it, and now I am on this step. Okay, so you will need to do that first. And so once you will add your card and start your free trial, you will need to connect your LinkedIn profile with it. So I am going to connect my LinkedIn profile. So let me click on connect. It will take some time. Okay, so now I am going to provide here my email. Okay, and then I am going to add my password. Let me just show you. Okay, it is incorrect. Okay, so now again. Okay, there is the problem. Okay, so caps lock will not work, and you will need to, if there is any capital letter in your password, so make sure to press hold on shift and then click on any key which is capital, because caps lock is not working here. So make sure to do that. So I'm going to click on sign in. So yeah, I have an authenticator app. Let me open that. I have just got a notification on my authenticator app. Let me verify that. Check your LinkedIn app. Okay, just so you guys will get a notification on your phone, okay, like this. If LinkedIn is open on your phone, you will click yes, it is me. Okay, you will authenticate, and once you will do it, your LinkedIn will be connected with the Browserflow. Now you can see your LinkedIn is here. Okay, and let me show you, by the way, my profile. My name is frww. I am from Islamabad, Pakistan. I am working as an AI engineer at n8n, and also founding my DataLinkk AI company. Okay, we basically do automations and using no code as well as code solutions. For code solutions, we do LangChain, LangGraph, LangSync. Okay, so our LinkedIn profile is now connected. Connect LinkedIn, which is done. Now let's proceed for the second step. So second step, launch your n8n application and add Browserflow for LinkedIn community node. Okay, so we are going to come our second step, which is I have just created a n8n on n8n account online on cloud free for 14 days. You guys will also get 14 days try. You don't need to add card details here. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed for the next step. And once you will create your account on n8n for 14 days trial, you will need to create a workflow. Okay, let me do everything from scratch so that I can keep you guys in a loop. I am going to delete this workflow. I will create, let's archive this. I'm going to create a new workflow. It will be, I'm going to give it a name WKF01. Okay, workflow 1, and here I will search Browserflow. Okay, so here it is Browserflow. You will need to install this because for now it is a community node, so you can install it directly by clicking on install node, which is very easy. Thanks to the n8n, because it is allowing us to install the community nodes directly on cloud version of n8n now. So this is installed, and let me show you guys what things you can do. So you can basically we can send messages, LinkedIn messages, send a LinkedIn connection invite, scrape profiles from LinkedIn search. This is something they have done on my request. Scrape profiles from LinkedIn post, scrape LinkedIn post, list your LinkedIn connections, invite connections, get result of a job, get data from LinkedIn profile, export LinkedIn chat history, check if person is connected after sending connection request. So this is something these actions we can do. So yeah, let me add manual trigger for now, and after adding manual trigger we will add Browserflow actions, and for now let's use a send connection invite. Okay, and let's connect Browserflow as well. So I will come over here, and next step, let's click on next extension view. Yeah, I have done that as well. Browser community node in your environment. Okay, this is something I have done, but I will be needing API key, so I will copy API key from here. Okay, here you can get your API key. So basically you will need to click on settings icon and account setting and copy your API key. Okay, once you will copy, come over here and paste and save. So it is saved. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so let's run this node, and I'm coming over here because I guess the next step is let's see. So we have launched it, and now here run. So and click install, then refresh page. Okay, and then third step, next step, let's see. Still Browserflow LinkedIn community and node, and choose an action, connect by parsing your API key. After running an action to test your connection, return here. Okay, so we will need to run any node yeah, to basically get it done. I'm going to get a profile of someone whom I am not connected. Let's get the profile of this person, copy the link and come over here, pasting over here, and then just sending a connection request to him. Yeah, the Browserflow actions are a bit slow, but they are amazing. The guys are improving their system, and I have a great chat with them. So yeah, they have also added a feature on my request. I will also show you. So there is an, yeah, I guess there was bug. Initially it given me an error. It was server error, but now it ran successfully, and connection request has been sent to this ID profile that I pasted here. So now let me show you. Let me refresh it. Connection request should be sent to him. It should be pending now. You can see it is pending now. So our setup is working fine, and let me refresh it now. Yeah, let me refresh it. Yeah, so we are done, and with the setup, and now we will do rest of the things. We will create an amazing automations.